which is that gut feeling that we get when you connect with somebody, even before you say anything, which is the mind, or you feel the person physically, you get a gut sensation of the person. And the more we can refine that, the better our instinct, the better our intuition, the better it is for human interaction, be it for interaction within teams, or with customers, or with vendors, or even with investors. So as senior managers, as the leadership of an organization, when we raise our spirit connection, we get a lot of stuff done much faster, because we are intuitively aligned with whatever we're setting out to do. So how do we feel spirit? We know the body, we know the mind. Spirit is all around us, and it's energy. It's the atoms that are at various frequencies all over. It's there between the camera and me. We've got atoms. Now, if you were to stand on a mountainside which is full of snow and move your hands like this, you would eventually form a snowball, right? You just scrape out the snow from the mountainside. Similarly, this is a movement that I'd like you to do next to a tree, in your balcony, in a garden, anywhere. And you will be amazed at what happens. So let's just start doing that. Maybe you warm up your hands a little because it's cold. So just get started this way and bring your hands about a foot apart. Now bring them slowly close together. Do it now with me. You can do it again in your balcony, but you get your motion right, you develop your muscle memory, and your muscles know what to do. And slowly you bring them together and moving them apart. And then maybe even touch. And maybe touch closer, clap lightly. And then not clap. And then not touch. And now bring your awareness between your palms and start sensing something. If you are feeling anything, it could be a tingling, it could be a pressure, it could be a warmth or a coolness. Everybody has different sensations, but as you bring your awareness between your palms, you will start sensing maybe an attraction, maybe a repulsion, till such time that you start sensing something tangible. E is equal to mc square. One mass is energy. There is a mass of air between my palms, which, because I'm sensitized to this, I've been doing this many times, I can feel it even with electronics around me and a wall behind me and everything. But you'll sense it more in nature. You'll sense it when your family is closer to you, and you will start sensing that this matter is now growing. Now, I'm not doing this. This is just growing as a sphere, because the sphere, a ball is, even the snow becomes a ball. A ball is the one that is equally shaped from all directions. And this ball is just expanding. And this is the energy ball. Now, you can't unsee this and you can't unfeel it. Now you know that this energy that's around us, between us, is the one that attracts or repels us to each other. And this is pure energy. As we can start using more of this, we can start healing ourselves and our relationships with each other. I've got a nice big ball here now. Now what I would normally do is, and you could do this, is put it in your belly button. That's the center of our energy, center of gravity, center of the body. So I just compact it there. But let's say you're tired, your eyes are burning, your head is paining, or you're feeling pain in the heart or something. You would take it to that specific area and just compact it, like I'm going to do now in my bed. It's so good. And when you do it and you actually start feeling your eyes getting nourished, or your ears, or your heart, it's amazing to just have this power of self-healing at your disposal.